Hi everyone! It's January 31, Saturday, 10:30 a.m. New day, new car release. On this Civic FL5, we just done installing BF Supreme Tint, medium all the way, and also the hottest horn in the market, the Mitsuba Arena 3. On this Prado LC250, the upgrade we have done on this unit, we installed hood insulation, hood insulator, PIA base horn, and 20-inch Vossen wheels. This is the HF 6.4 on gloss black. Then, we wrap it with BF Goodrich KO3 TARS 305 55 20. And also we installed Hypotec matting. Yeah. And also, we have a brand new LC250 here. We're replacing the front grille to JDM grille. It composed of the upper grille and the lower grille. This is all original Toyota. This is the original on the everything is plug and play. And this is the last piece we're going to install. And this one. Okay. The original factory of the local is here, the camera. This is transferred here, the front cam. Everything is plug and play, no splicing of wires. Okay. Then, on this Ford Explorer, we're replacing the entertainment unit because it's burned out. We can fix this one, replacing the LCD display and this Prado for releasing. This is a change color, wash over, and change wheels also. Okay. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. See you here. Bye!